Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to transfer and send Docs coin from Telegram wallet to OKX wallet. This tutorial is quick and simple, so make sure to subscribe to this channel before we dive into. Now on Telegram wallet, you're going to go to your assets and going to click on Docs. As you may see, I don't have Docs on my Telegram, so I cannot definitely show you every step, but you will see here an option send. So you want to click on send option, and after that you will have an option to choose external wallet, just like so, just like at the bottom. So you want to choose that external wallet, and then you will need to enter the address. So to find the address, you want to go to your OKX and you want to click on receive. From here you're going to search for Docs, and here it is, Docs on Ton network. From here, you will see your Docs address, which you can go ahead and click copy it and paste it to your Telegram. Now, once you will paste it to your Telegram, you will be able to withdraw Docs. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.